just got this from Paul out of New York. She literally took possession of it Tuesday, and we're at the track Saturday. So golf clap for Talia. Talia wanted to get a car like mine. She drives mine all the time, and she has a regular daily car, which is a BMW what?
X6.
Today, our primary goal is just getting her comfortable on the track with the car. She's getting the race line down really well, and that's the most important thing is you gotta be smooth to be fast, and that's what she's doing. So she is learning and being patient. You know, the last thing we wanna do today is crash a brand new car of hers.
I know that I can sometimes be a little overconfident, so having Charlie in the car with me will definitely help that.
Yeah, this is a brand new track, so it is green. It did rain last night. It's dirty. A lot of the rubber's off because we got a good rain here last night, which I hope it didn't rain here. All right, let's get inboard.
All right,
let's go.
I feel really good. Adrenaline's like still kicking in. It feels really good. Like you don't realize the power of the car and how well it moves until you hit a track, like versus on the street. So that's amazing.
Everything you were doing out there, really good. Came up to speed fast. Your placement on track's really good. You know, how you're applying throttle, brake. I can tell you're looking ahead really well. And that's a big thing, right? Planning and predicting your next move, your next input.
When you're on the track, you want to be nice, calm, cool, collected.
I feel like
and looking through the chart, you're doing everything right. And then when you get out of the car is when you could be like, you know, like that's the time to be like, yeah, not like when you're on the track going crazy.
Car drives great. I mean, the suspension is amazing. It really is. Like, it feels good.
Is it better than your suspension?
It feels better.
Okay.
It does. This feels definitely more stable.
Okay.
And mine definitely a little more mushy.
Okay.
You dialed this in.
That's awesome.
I mean, it feels awesome.
Yeah, you need a KW system on your car.
Ah. This is an S. Pajak, who owns Carbonerre, is the package that these are based on. So they're based on a GT3 body. So this whole section, I don't know if it's a Black Series or R option. It doesn't look like mine. You could tell the differences of the two noses. That part alone, I think, was a little over 5,000 just for that nose piece. Mine is the R. It still has a functioning bottom, where it's like a bladder for downforce. I know they did over 60,000+ just in getting mine set up. So to do it right, you're gonna spend some money doing it correctly. They put this in, which I love. And if you look at mine is just paint on paint. I actually like Talia's, but all the bolts are Carbonerre bolts. So you can see how much attention to detail he does. BC Forest did the custom wheels, and we are running the P0s on this car. And in mine, I'm running the Cup 2s. I like the Cup 2s because I use that primarily for street. This is the first time that's ever been on the track today. He does have some cool stickers. We like the stickers. We're probably gonna keep it on. A lot of people might say it's kiddie, but it's because race car. It's cool. I mean, but all the fit and finish, I absolutely love. They did such a great job. I mean, the seams and everything look like a factory car. The interior of the car is in amazing shape. You can see the carbon pack, so you have the door sills, and you have all this center console trim. Around the bezels, you have the carbon trim. So you can see how meticulous Paul and the original owner took care of the car. Another difference with the R and the S with Pajak is the S cars will always have the exhaust outlets on the outside. And what's great is you get your rain light, which is super cool. So when she turns on her blinker, it flashes as well. So pretty cool. For the R, our standard has the central exhaust. So you're gonna lose out on the rain light. which is unfortunate. But for mine, we have the titanium tips that are coming out the back. Another thing with the S, this is a functional rear spoiler, and that's a cool feature that you can turn on and off. Where the R car, since it has a fixed wing from the factory, it wouldn't have that. Per Payjack, these are the same width. You would think since the R comes in a wider body standard, it would be wider. We have the carbon ceramics on this. Vivid Racing did the wheels, but it's sort of word of mouth that you always want to take the center caps off because with extreme heat, they might seize and stay on. So we took those off. So this comes with this kit, and then they also put a screen in. So that greatly helps for it breathing and getting air out of the wheel well. So it'll get air out of here and all the pressure out through the back, just like a real race car. So this is a standard interior. You have the silver stitching, Cantera steering wheel, seats. It doesn't come with a moonroof or sunroof. You get standard a carbon roof. With the R, you also get four-wheel steering. A lot of people say for the track that S, for example, might be a little bit better because it doesn't have it. There's people either love it or hate it. I don't know because I really haven't driven the cars that hard back to back. You have a carbon drive shaft in this car. This one is running 750 horsepower, and this one's running, I think, 540 or 570 horsepower. Talia may do the upgrade to the 750 package.
Talia is doing the upgrade.
Oh, Talia is doing the upgrade. I love it. You gotta love it.
We already talked to Dyno-Comp.
Yeah, and this is amazing. It does, for a stock exhaust, pops, bangs, it still sounds amazing. Paul did put in the blow-off valves. I like it. Anything that makes a car sound unique and cool, I like. Does it add performance? I don't know. I mean, if it did add performance, I'm sure Mercedes would have it come on the car standard. Same wing pretty much as that car. Payjack did reach out to us and he's like, hey, I want you guys to upgrade to the carbon wings with the LED lights.
They're so
We're
awesome.
thinking about
Yes.
it. Yeah, we love the LED lights, but they're not cheap. Like, there's another example. Just the rear spoiler alone is $6,000 each. So, you know, this package is not a cheap package, but it works. It's functional. It's based off the GT3 car. You know, it truly works. The downforce truly works. I'll tell you what, man. This car is amazing. It is, dude. I don't like the tires. They do squeak a lot.
Yeah, I heard.
But that's because they're a harder compound. Yeah. Usually if you're running a really soft, like the Cup 2s or Cup 2Rs, they won't squeak.
We heard that when we were riding around.
Yeah. But dude, this car's incredible. I mean, it's set up perfect. I wouldn't change anything, like turn in, I mean, coming out, I had traction off the whole time. Really, really stable, I think because of all the downforce. The suspension, the KWs, I think I like it better than mine. Like, it's like planted. It does. Mine has a lot more body roll, but dude, this thing's so much fun, dude. I don't know if I would even tune it. I don't know.
It's got good power.
Damn, dude, and it puts the power down perfectly.
Yeah.
Like that car, you're like, ah. You know, when you have almost too much power, you just gotta be smooth on the gas. You'll still go faster. But this, you can really get on it, and with the arrow, brakes feel great.
Yeah, the brakes, I didn't feel like the brakes changed throughout it at all.
I mean, mine, I don't know, mine felt like dangerous. Like after four or five laps hard, like it needs steel braided lines. Well, what an incredible car, man.
Thank you, Charlie, for finding it for me.
Oh my God, blessed, you're blessed.
There's no way I'd have this car if it wasn't for him finding it.
Well, we got lucky. You can't find these. Or you just don't find them.
Yeah.
So I posted saying, hey, Talia loves my car. We're looking for another one. Paul's like, you're too late. I just got a deposit on mine. He has is like 2 weeks, like on this date on a Friday. He hasn't that time to wire me the money. If he doesn't, I'll give him his money back. He did PPI on it, and I'll get his money back and I'll sell it to you. And we're like, done. Right, so I told her, you know, the guy's gonna come through, like, and we think what ended up happening is he was needing financing. He didn't get finance for it because it's clearly more expensive than just a regular GTS car. And he called out that Friday. He's like, I'm sending the guy his money back. He's not happy. And we're like, fuck yeah. Yeah. So super cool to have Hans and Franz, so to speak. It suits them because they do look like Hans and Franz, you know. Yeah, but super cool, man. I didn't push it as much as my first time. That was only my second session. We only did 2 sessions in this car. I have the Porsche race car, and I love this car so much. I don't want to beat on it, to be honest. It's perfect for what we use it for, which is big car rallies, super cool events. I only have 13,000 miles on it. Will it make it out to the track again? Yeah, I'm sure, but why when I have the Porsche race car? Most of the street cars are running in the 140s here, and then the Porsche, you're doing 135. So that's a big difference a lap. But for a car that you could daily and then take for a track day, I mean, they're smooth, they're super easy to drive. The aero works. I mean, I've had ours out here without the body, and I have nannies going on and lights going on, and it doesn't have enough downforce. Even with the R package, it's just not enough downforce to keep the power down. And this car and the other car, I had traction off on Talia's S, 0 issues. The downforce makes that big of a difference. And this track's green. It rained last night, came here this morning, puddles everywhere. It took us a little to dry up. It's April in Arizona. It looks cool, it sounds cool, it drives incredible. Pajak, you did a great job with the package. Talia and I driving this morning down the highway, and like moms and their kids hanging out the windows and taking cell phone videos. It's hilarious. You get more seen on this than my Lambos that I've had in the past and stuff like that. It's just wild how it is. So, all right, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe. We're gonna have a lot more on these cars, our other cars, motocross bikes, all that fun stuff. And appreciate you watching, you guys.